Hi students, in today's session we are starting our second chapter. The second chapter is titled with domestic trade and international trade. Domestic trade and international trade. This is second chapter. Okay, in this session we are going to know about what is the trade and what are the different kinds of trade and what is the importance and problems, limitations of international trade. Okay, before going to start the class, I just want you to remember the definition of the business organization or the definition of the business. We all know about business is an economic activity which is concerned with production and distribution of goods and services for the purpose of making profits. Okay, so business is an economic activity which deals with production and distribution activities. Right. So, production takes in the form of industry. We know the definition of the industry, right? The production part of the business organization is called as industry. And we are producing different kinds of products by using raw materials. Okay, and distribution activities takes in the form of commerce. Okay, here what you are doing, you are producing certain goods. For what you are producing those goods? To sell those goods to the customers. Right. So, distribution activities comes under commerce. Again, this commerce is divided into two types, trade and aids to trade. Trade and aids to trade. Okay, trade is nothing but exchange of goods and services between persons, organizations and or countries. Exchange of goods and services between persons, organizations and countries is called as trade. Okay, coming to aids to trade. Here in the trade we are exchanging or we are selling or buying goods from others. Okay, so trade is nothing but selling or buying okay, selling and buying of goods which takes place in trade. So to do this transaction or to buy or to sell the goods, we need some facilities. For example, in the business organization, the products are produced in the factory which is located in some other place. For example, the factory is located in Hyderabad, but we want that product in our regional area. Then what we have to do, we are not able to go Hyderabad and we have to purchase those products for us. Right. So, the product is transformed from the producers to the consumer by using different means. Right. For example, to purchase such product or to produce those products, we need finance. Here we means business organizations. To produce a particular goods to sell the customer, we need banking, which is nothing but the financial assistance that is given to the organizations. Okay, and next, the product is produced. Now it's time to reach it to the customer. Okay, so the gap between the customer and producer is to be eliminated, which means is to be constructed, like the transport facilities. If the proper transport facilities is available, then the product may transfer from producers to the consumer. Then another rates to trade is transport. And we are produced goods. Certain goods are produced regularly, but they are used in certain seasonal times. So we need to store our product when the demand will arises. Till that time, we have to store our products in the warehouses. And we know that transportation from producer place to consumer place, the goods needs to transport. Right. Meanwhile, there is a problem that risk may arises due to the accidents or fire accidents or short circuits. Because of this reason, the products that are produced by the business organization may get destroyed. So it is a risk. To avoid such risk, the businessman is depend upon the insurance. Okay, these are the different kinds of aids to trade. Here, aids to trade means facilitation of the trade activity. They are facilitating the trade activity for the businessman. Right. So, this is the introduction regarding trade. Now, we are going to learn about trade and categories of different trades. Right? Trade can be classified into two types. Domestic trade and international trade. Domestic trade and international trade. Again, the domestic trade is classified into two types. That is wholesale trade and retail trade. Wholesale trade and retail trade. And international trade is classified into three types. First one, import trade, and second one, export trade, and third one, entry port trade. Okay, it is the classification of trade. So, trade is nothing but buying and selling of goods and services between persons, organizations and countries is called as trade. Okay, buying and selling of. Buying and selling of goods and services between persons, organizations and countries is known as trade. So, it is classified into two types. Domestic trade. The trade which takes place within the country is known as domestic trade. The trade which takes place within the country is known as, within the boundaries of the country is known as domestic trade. It is also known as home trade or internal trade. Also known as home trade or internal trade. Here, buying and selling of goods takes place within the boundaries of the nation. For example, we are producing certain goods in India. The buying and selling of such goods will take place within the boundaries of the India. That type of trade is known as domestic trade, which is also known as internal trade and home trade.